Hello, I'm Amaryllis and today we will craft sugar skull with toilet paper rolls. Let's first make the skull shape. Take a toilet paper roll and cut it in half. Cut a slit in the toilet paper roll. The slit is about 1.5 centimeters. Then cut the roll on both sides of the slit. And you leave a part in front uncut of about 5 centimeters, which is like 2 inches. Trim about 1 centimeter, like half inches on each side. Wrap it up and attach it with a dot of hot glue. And this is how you make the jaw of the skull. Now we have to make the eye cavities. The pencil you can mark the emplacement of the eyes. Then you just use a hole puncher to make the eyes. Now that the skull shape is made, time to add a little color. First paint the outside of the skull white. Once the paint is dry, you can use a black Sharpie to draw the skull face. Put black around the eyes. Draw 2 triangles to make the nose. Then draw the mouth and the teeth. You can let the skull like that if you like it, but la verdad, las calaveritas son mejores. So to add the decoration and to turn your skull into a sugar skull, you can use acrylic paint markers. Draw flowers and any decoration you like on the skull. You can also glue beads or gem stickers if you like to. The sugar skull is decorated. Now let's add the final touch. Take white glue and apply it inside of the cardboard roll. Then grab glitter, the color of your choice, and spread it inside of the skull. Tap to remove the excess and done. Make as many sugar skulls as you like and enjoy trying different colors combinations. Have fun crafting your sugar skull with toilet paper rolls. Do not forget to like and subscribe for more DIY ideas.